Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook eggs in Project Zomboid. First, you'll need to locate some fresh eggs, often found in refrigerators or freezers within homes or stores. Next, secure a reliable heat source, such as an oven, microwave, or even a campfire. Don't forget your cooking utensils, like a frying pan or a pot, and something to light your fire, like matches or a lighter. These are your essential starting items for a warm meal. There are several ways to prepare your eggs. For fried eggs, place them in a frying pan on a stove or campfire. If you prefer boiled eggs, simply put them in a pot with water and heat it up. You can also scramble eggs by mixing them with other ingredients before cooking. Each method offers a slightly different taste and can be useful depending on your available resources and desired meal. Safety is paramount when cooking in the apocalypse. Always ensure your eggs are cooked thoroughly. Consuming raw or undercooked eggs can lead to serious food sickness. Before cooking, quickly check the eggs' freshness to avoid using spoiled ingredients. Be mindful not to overcook your eggs, as they can quickly burn and become inedible, wasting valuable resources and leaving you hungry. Once you master basic egg preparation, you can explore more complex dishes. Combine cooked eggs with bacon for a satisfying and energy-boosting breakfast. For a more elaborate meal, try making an omelet by adding various vegetables and cheese. Eggs are also versatile for creating simple sandwiches or even incorporating into baking recipes, like cakes or pies, if you find the necessary ingredients. Enjoy your culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.